Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's been a minute, but today we're back with that detailed tutorial that we have all been waiting for. It is finally here. That is how to style a bandana like, how to fold a bandana like. Exactly. So let's dive right in, and as we do that, please like this video. Just give me a thumbs up, eh? And also you can leave a comment down below. Tell me how it goes down for you and what else you love to see me do or what you'd like us to do together. The usual tutorials and all. So what you need basically is just that bandana already. And here is mine right there. And remember, we have some exact details in which this particular person, this guy, our goal of the day, does their tutorial that we do not want to miss out. So with your bandana right there, like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I look good. Whoop, whoop. I wish you could all see me. That is my mirror right there telling me, ooh. Anyways, back to what you're doing. So with your bandana right here, you need a flat surface. If you have one, well and good. If you do not, you can place it on a table, kamakawa. Kamakawa means as usual, or just somewhere flat, or just do it in the air like your girl. So let's form a star from top to bottom, top to bottom, like that. The star will come out like this. And so what you need to do is fold your bandana into two equal parts for the start. And make sure you're not doing that on the opposite side. So two equal parts. So with the star like this, you bring it down like that. To ensure they are equal, you just hold onto the tip of the edge of one of the sides, okay? And also, apart from that, you have to ensure that your hair, if you want to look exactly like our detailed goal of today, you can place your hair towards here at the center. Although mine is at the back, but you can just place it at the center so that at the very end, I'll show you how you can just place it onto the bandana and all. But even if it's not like that, you can just continue with the way it looks with the hair back, okay? I told you, I always got you with so many different tips on how. Let's just continue. So with this like this, ensure you look at the patterned bandana that you're using, the way it looks. So from top again, we have to drop down our bandana from top to down. And in this case, because there are these particular marks, there is the particular part in which we want them to lie on. There's that place we want it to lie on. You do not bring it into two equal parts. Do not fold it into two equal parts. That is, once you do like this, let me show you, like that, folding it twice, you'll not do it into two equal parts. You see, they're not equal. The ones you have folded, or rather, let me show you another way in which you can do that, the folding. Instead of placing the bandana like this, you place it this other way. And so you just bring this tip towards the bottom, just that you are not touching this area down here when you bring it down, okay? When you fold it like that, you bring it down, you're not bringing it up to the very end. This is because we want to have this area right here. Well, it's too much. It seems for me it's too much, so we'll have to add in, to pull in a little bit. Meaning, in this case, my bandana seems huge, so we'll just bring it to the very end, and then it seems like it has passed a little bit this corner. It has overdone the equalness, so it just goes on. Well. What am I saying? Are you getting me? Let me just do that in a simpler way, because I feel like I've done it very fast. So your bandana is folded into two, right? Into two, like this. There are two ways in which you can actually refold it from the top. One is just like this, towards the bottom, And then this towards the bottom, like that, making sure that this tip is longer a little bit. The other way in which you just stated in which you can do that is just from the tip, this tip, you bring it down like that. And also, you also ensure at the same time it is dropped down to this edge a little bit. I know we are clear up to that point. Okay, so this is how my bandana looks, having been folded up to that point, making sure that the edge, the tip has passed a little bit. The reason why we're doing that is because we want this part to be at the center, these flowers and then this one. I told you there's a particular way in which he does it. And so the next thing, having your bandana like this, and make sure you follow the pattern in the manner that I have done it. And up to that, please like this video. Anyways, so like that, from here, from the top, like this, well, it is like that. You just fold it a little bit again towards the inside. And this is what you'll have at the front. And this is what it will look like from the back. Okay, so you can see from top, this other part. Yeah. So the next thing, we place it on our heads. Remember, I told you if you have hair that you can actually just place all the hairs at the center, well, some at the back, well and good. But if it's still at the back, it's okay. So what you do is, looking at the pattern, ensure you look at the way that pattern looks. This part is what we want to be at this front area of our head. Don't do it the other way like this. Don't let it bend like that. So ensure from the front, you just pick it, ensuring you're careful so that this back part does not undo. So it's like this. Place it now on your head like this. You see, from this side, and then from the back. So the hair we're talking about, if you have all of it right there, you can actually just pull it out. And so pull it to the back a little bit. Ensure your tail is not coming out to the front like mine. So you see what I'm talking about, this pattern, most of the times that is how it does it. This pattern is like this, and then these other decorations are at the center. That's how it's folded. So from the side like that, from this other side, you can choose, depends on how you feel comfortable. You can choose to place out the ears like that, or just place them inside like that. Or from this other side, the same. Wow, oh, looks nice. Oh my goodness. Oh. Anyways, now it's time to do a knot at the back. So from this edge and this other edge, fix it inside like that. And for it to be tighter, you have to do like 2 knots, and make sure that when you're doing these knots, you don't do them in a manner that you actually hurt your head, that you're having a headache because it's too tight, or in a manner that you'll not be able to undo or unfold the bandana, so you just have to cut it. So be careful on that. So let's do the second knot. At the same time as we're doing your knots, ensure that you're not, you know what? Ensure that you're not folding you're not tying your hair around the knot. Mine feels kinda loose. So right there, and this knee of ours should be a little bit on the inside. Yeah, a little bit of the inside, so that you can just have a separation right here. The separation right there. Then our pattern, oh my goodness. And so when you have the hair that you're talking about placing it here, after tying like around it, when it's time, you just drop it or hold it to the top, then drop most of it like that. So mine's not that much. So here we are, just for demonstrating. And by the way, guys, please like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below. Tell me, is it easy for you? How do you like it? Well and good. Okay? So that is it. That is just the easiest way in which you can do this. You can pull it up to your head. You don't want it lying so much on your forehead. Like that. Please like this video and check out my other uploads on different tutorials because I always go to covered. Anyways, peace out.